Okay, today we'll be looking at how to multiply two matrices with each other. First of all, I want you to imagine that we are running a pizza shop and we have three different pizzas. We have our margarita pizza, we have our mushroom fungi pizza, and we have a deep dish pizza. And this is just the recipe for how much cup of things we need for each pizza. So for the margarita, for example, we need 2 cups of vegetable, 0 cups of meat, and 1.5 cups of cheese. And for the fungi, we need 5 cups of vegetable, 0 cups of meat, and 1 cup of cheese. And then for the deep dish, we need 2 cups of vegetable, 3 cups of meat, and 5 cups of cheese. So now if we want to calculate how much each pizza cost, we need the prices for each cup. So here is the price for each cup. We have vegetable, which is $1 per cup, meat, which is $2 per cup, and cheese, which is $1.50 per cup. And now if you want to calculate these, we need to multiply the amount of cups times what each cup is cost. So for example, for the margarita pizza, for the cost, we multiply 2 with 1, so 2 times 1, then 0 times 2, 0 times 2, and 1.5 times 1.5. So that's 2 times 1, that's 2, 0 times 2, that's 0, and 1.5 times 1.5, that's 2.25. So we have $4.25 per margarita pizza we're making, do we have to spend. Then for the fungi pizza, we have 5 times 1, that's 5 times 1, 0 times 2, and 1 times 1.5. So we have 5 times 1, that's 5, 0 times 2, that's 2, that's 0, and then 1 times 1.5, so we have $6.5 per fungi pizza. And for the deep dish pizza, it's 2 times 1 plus 3 times 2, so that's 2 plus 6 plus 5 times 1.5, that's 7.25, so we have 15.25 per deep dish pizza. So why is this important? Because this is exactly how you multiply a matrix with a vector. So here this is the same matrix as before, as the list before here. Only now that it's not a list of pizzas, but a list of functions. So we have our first function 2x plus 0y plus 1.5z, and then 5x plus 0y plus 1z, and 2x plus 3y plus 5z. And here we have the values for each variable. X times x equals to 1, y equals to 2, and z equals to 1.5. And then we just put in the values. So for example, 2 times x, so 2 times 1, plus 0 times y, so 0 times 2, and 1.5 times z, so 1.5 plus 1.5 times 1.5, so 4.25. And then the same with the two rows, we just did that earlier. So why is it important to know how to multiply a matrix with a vector? Because if we have two matrices, like so, this is the same matrix, this is a different matrix here, we can cut the second matrix into 3 vectors. See how every column of this matrix is represented in each vector. So for example, 1, 3, 2, we have here first vector 1, 3, 2. Second column 2, 1, 3, so we have 2, 1, 3. And 1.5, 0, 1, we have 1.5, 0, 1. And now we do the multiplication with matrix times vectors just 3 times. So for example, with our first vector, we have 2 times 1, that's 2, plus 0 times 3, that's 0, 1.5, that's 2, that's 3, so we have 5. Here, 5. Then, second value, we have 5 times 1, that's 5, 0 times 3, that's another 0, and then 1 times 2, that's 2, so we have 7 represented here. And then we have 2 times 1, that's 2, 3 times 3, that's 9, so that's 11, plus 5 times 2, that's 10, so 21. So here 21. And now we do that with the other vectors. So we multiply this matrix with this vector, and then this matrix with this vector, and we get these other 2 resulting vectors out of them. And now what we can do is we can just put these vectors back into a matrix And now we have our resulting matrix by calculating these two matrices with each other. Thank you for listening. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Maybe with another topic that you want me to have a look in. And also next week on Saturday, on the 19th of October, will be my first stream on Twitch. So please make sure to follow me there as well. And see you later.